Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download SQL in your computer. To start with, open your Google and type download SQL Server. Click on the first link. Once the page appears, ignore the first part. Scroll down and click on download a free specialized edition. Click for developers. A file will start to download. Click on it. SQL Server 2022 have three types of editions. The first is the basics, second is the custom, and third is the media. Always choose the download media. Select language, select the compressed medium, and select your destination. Finally, click on download. Now this will take some time. So my SQL Server 2022 has been finally installed. Now, when this window appears, you have to click on open folder. This is how my folder looks. And let's start installing. I would choose my directory at C. So once this window appears, the first thing you need to do is click on installation, then click on new SQL Server standalone installation or add new features to an existing installation. Specify a free edition, choose as a developer, and then click on next. Accept the license terms and click on next. Yes. Next step, if window firewall warning appears, ignore this warning and just keep on going. Click on next. Now, I do not want Azure extension for SQL Server at this moment. You can always come back and add Azure. For this moment, I will just skip this part. Now, in this window, we select the features we want in our SQL. Now, the database engine service is for the select from where group by all the major statements and features we use in SQL. Next, if we want SSAS, we can select analysis services, and we can also select SSIS, which is the integration service. I would highly advise you to select all these three. And if you on the top, if you want anything extra, you can do so. And then you can select the directory where you would like to install and click on next. For the instances, keep it on default. Server configuration, click as they are. So authentication mode, use Windows authentication mode as it is and add yourself as your current user. On the data directories, you can change the installation directory if you would like to and click on next. For analysis, use the Tableau mode and click on next. Add the current user is important. Finally, click on next. And your SQL Server 2022 is ready to install. So click on install. Installation has been completed. And it is asking me to restart my computer. Click on OK. And then finally the detail says install has been successful. What does it mean? It means that the SQL Server has been installed in your computer with integration and analysis services. Next thing which we need to do is install an IDE. An IDE is basically the software on which we write our code. So the best one from Microsoft is SSMS. We will go on our Google and we will type download SSMS and just click on the first link. All these URLs, you will find them in the video description below. So here it is, that free download for SQL Server Management Studio SSMS, or to download SSMS 19 Preview 3, visit here. So we will take 18.12 and it has started downloading. It's approximately 670 MB. So my SSMS has been finally downloaded. Now I'll click on it and proceed to setup. Before I complete the setup, I think I need to restart my computer. And after restarting my computer, I will simply click on the .exe file. Location, I will keep it default and click on install. Now your Microsoft SSMS will be installed with Azure Data Studio, which is again a plus point. Now the setup has been completed. Click on close. So after the downloading has been completed, click on your start menu and click on SSMS and click on this one. Choose the default settings and click on connect. The next step for you is to create some queries and extract data from the databases. And to do so, watch the next video. You want to do your first project? Try this one.